Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Emma Daily English. Yesterday was a very special day. Something funny and a little crazy happened to me. And today I'm here with my best friend, Mia.
Yes, friends, it's a true story. I was there. It was unforgettable.
Haha, you can say that again. So it all started yesterday evening.
Okay, Emma, what happened yesterday?
I went to a concert
A concert? Wow, where was it?
in the city center near the river. The weather was so nice. The sky was clear. Everyone looked so happy.
The lights, the people, the sound, everything felt alive.
Yes, and I wore my new blue jacket, shiny and bright.
Right, that jacket. I could see it from far away.
It looked beautiful, but oh, it caused a big problem later.
We went inside the hall. So many people. Hundreds, maybe.
Everyone talked, laughed, took photos. The air was full of energy.
You looked excited.
I was happy and a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
I don't know. Something about that night felt different.
I felt it too. Like something unexpected was about to happen.
And then it did. A man walked straight toward us.
Oh, yes, that guy with the headset.
Right. He stopped and said, "You're wearing the blue jacket. You're on in 5 minutes."
I couldn't believe it. He thought you were the singer.
I was so confused. I said, "Excuse me?" But he just nodded and rushed off.
The real singer also wore a blue jacket. What are the chances?
Exactly the same color, the same style. Unreal.
And everyone around us started looking, whispering, smiling.
I could feel it. All eyes on me. Oh, what a moment.
The man pointed toward the stage, right?
Yes, he waved his hand, shouting something like, "Let's go!"
You froze. I remember that face. Total panic.
I didn't know whether to laugh or run.
And that's when things really started to get wild.
Oh, it was just the beginning of one unforgettable night.
So, Emma, what happened after the man told you to go on stage?
Oh, Mia, it was so crazy. I still can't believe it happened yesterday.
Tell me what you said to him.
I said, "I'm not the singer." But he didn't listen. He just smiled and said, Yes, you are. Let's go.
Oh no, poor you.
I know. He took my arm and started walking fast. He pulled the curtain, and suddenly, there it was. The stage, the lights, the crowd cheering, music playing somewhere in the background.
Wow, I remember that moment. It felt like a dream.
My heart was beating so fast. I was scared, really scared.
You looked frozen, like you couldn't move.
Exactly. I wanted to say, it's a mistake, but no sound came out. So I just walked to the microphone.
Oh, wow. The lights, the noise, all those eyes watching you.
Yes, and then silence. The band stopped. The stage went quiet. I could even hear the rain outside.
What did you do then?
I took a deep breath. I looked at the crowd, and I thought, maybe I can try.
That's so you. Always brave when things get tough.
Maybe. I said, "Good evening, everyone." And people clapped. They thought it was part of the show.
No way! That's amazing!
My hands were shaking, but I told myself just one song. Then the band started to play, and the air moved with music.
And you sang, didn't you?
Oh, yes, I sang. I don't even know how, but I did.
How did it feel?
At first, I was nervous. Then, suddenly, free. It felt like the fear disappeared.
That's beautiful.
It was. The lights, the sound, the people, everything just faded away. And it was only me and the song.
I can almost see it. Tell us what happened when the music started.
Ugh, that's when everything changed. The lights turned warmer. The first note rose in the air, and I just stood there, frozen but alive. For a moment, everything felt quiet, even with hundreds of people watching.
Wow, I can almost feel it. The sound, the lights, the heartbeat.
Yes, my heart was beating like a drum. But I told myself, don't run, just sing. So I closed my eyes, took a deep breath, and let the first word come out.
When the rain is falling down, I will smile, I won't frown. When the world is dark, I'll find the light. Close my eyes and shine tonight. I'll shine tonight, I'll shine so bright. Even small stars can light the night. I'll shine tonight, I'll shine so bright, with my heart full of light.
That was beautiful. So soft and full of hope.
Thank you. It just came from inside. I didn't plan it. I just sang what I felt.
The crowd went quiet for a second. Remember? Everyone was holding their breath.
Yes. For a moment, I thought I sang badly. Then suddenly, clap, clap, clap. People stood up.
That sound was amazing. Everyone was cheering.
I felt like I was dreaming, free and light, like the music was flying around me. All the fear disappeared.
You looked so proud and so happy.
I was. That song wasn't perfect, but it was honest. It felt real. Just me, my voice, and the lights.
And then something unexpected happened.
Oh, yes. The real singer walked onto the stage.
2 girls, same jacket. Everyone staring, waiting.
I smiled and said, "I'm sorry, I'm not her. I'm just a fan." And the whole place laughed and clapped again.
It was the sweetest mistake ever.
Yes, a small mistake that became one of the best memories of my life.
I still can't believe that moment. The crowd laughing, you standing there, and then
Oh, and then she appeared. The real singer walked onto the stage. She looked exactly like me. Same hair, same jacket, same smile. For 1 second, we just stared at each other in total shock.
wow, that must have felt unreal.
It did. She came closer and said, "Nice voice." I almost forgot to breathe. So I said, "Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm not you. I just love your song." The whole audience laughed. It was funny, not scary anymore.
So, you told the truth.
Yes, and it felt free. When I told the truth, the fear disappeared. She smiled, handed me another microphone, and said, "Let's sing together." So we sang the chorus again, side by side.
I'll shine tonight, I'll shine so bright. Even small stars can light the night. I'll shine tonight, I'll shine so bright, with my heart full of light.
That's so sweet.
Yes, yesterday was special. I didn't plan to sing, but I did. I didn't want to be brave, but I was. I didn't expect to meet her, but I met her.
3 perfect sentences in past simple. I didn't plan to sing, I didn't want to be brave. I didn't expect to meet her. Wow, they sound good, right?
They do. Simple but strong. Yesterday, I was nervous. Then I was brave. I sang a song. I met new friends. I felt happy and proud.
That's beautiful. You turned a mistake into a moment.
Yes, yesterday was a small accident, but also a gift. I learned that mistakes can bring smiles. And when you speak or sing, don't try to be perfect. Just be honest. Be real. Shine tonight and every night.
That's so true.
Thank you. And thank you, friends, for learning and dreaming with us today.
If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Keep shining. Keep learning. Bye-bye.